I want to show you how to make at least $100 per day while trading. The average working person is making at least $100 to $300 per day, but they're sacrificing a lot of time, 8 to 12 hours every single day. The advantage that you have as a trader is that we do not have to sacrifice a lot of time to make a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply make ends meet. So guys, our trade starts on the daily time frame. So the importance of the daily time frame is finding the daily objective, and you want to know what price is doing for the duration of that day, right? The last thing you want to do is go for your $100 a day scalp and actually be trading in the opposite direction. That is the last thing that you want to do. So upon looking on the daily time frame, guys, of course, my markup was a little bit more detailed, but for the purpose of this video, I want to keep it very simple to show you how you can take these opportunities. I simply went to the daily time frame and identified that this was going to be a pretty bearish day. The candle was bearish, and I confirmed this on the smaller time frame that we were making lower highs and lower lows. So guys, if you do not know structure, a downtrend consists of a low, a lower high, and a lower low. This is what a downtrend looks like. So on the daily time frame, we're checking out that daily candle. We're confirming structure on the smaller time frame. So where we find our opportunities for that $100 a day trade is on the 1 minute time frame. What we're doing is we are simply looking for an area that's going to let us in so that we can participate in the market. So guys, as you can see in my live trade, this is the area that I found my opportunity. And I'm just going to go ahead and refresh. Okay, perfect. So guys, when I came into the 1 minute time frame, I did confirm that we were making lower highs and lower lows. As you can see, I did go ahead and identify these breaks of structure and these retests, right? And I figured out that, hey, my analysis is pretty okay. And at the next break of structure, I'm going to wait for a retest, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to take my opportunity for this $100 trade. And of course, guys, if you are targeting a lower than what we are about to speak about, then great for you. You don't have to just stay in at $100. But you know, this is a great way to make it $100. So I'll explain in this area here exactly what I mean. And guys, these trades do not last long. These are scalps. So keep in mind that these are short-lived trades. So here I have an order block, right? And I have this break of structure here. We broke this low. And after breaking this low, guys, this is the low that broke this previous low. You're simply waiting for price to accumulate back to your OB, just like this. So you're waiting for price to accumulate to your OB. At that point, right, and you guys can set an alarm here so that you're not watching the charts for a long period amount of time, right? From this OB, guys, we're going to set the stop loss right above this trade. And as you can see in my live trade, I had set the stop loss and I just let the trade run. And where am I taking this particular trade to? So this is my take profit, guys. It's very important to know exactly where you're going to exit the trade even before you enter for your entry. And one of my rules for trading is that you at least go for a 3-to-1, guys. I do not want to see anyone going for a 1-to-1 trade. Those trades are completely pointless to me. At least go for a trade where if your reward is $15, you're risking only $5. You don't want to risk $15 to make $15. guys, you don't want to risk $100 to make $100. So if your risk to reward, let's just say your reward was 300, you only want to risk 100 or less if possible, guys. And the goal is to get the tightest entry possible. So you want to wait for those retests, guys, and you simply target that previous low, right? So that was one example. And let's get to the trade that I actually took. As you can see here, price came into this area. I did go ahead and this low was the target, but I felt like the market had room to go down a little bit more. And that judgment is completely up to you guys. So here, got into here, and I'm looking at this low because from the market coming into this area, this is where I originally entered the market. But I did see that we have this institutional candle, and I was thinking, hey, maybe the market may come back for another retest into this area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop loss above here, and I'm going to target this low down here, right? So this trade is already an 8-to-1 setup, guys, which is what I like to see. And let's go ahead and press play. Some decent profit, but then the market did decide to go back up, right here for this retest. At that point, guys, I just let the trade run because I left my stop loss here and I wasn't too worried about it. So guys, as you can see, we did come down to this low, and that was my TP. So this is my method for making $100 per day. It's pretty simple and short to the straight to the point. Guys, you cannot forget the step on the higher time frame. And guys, I want to show you another example of when you're following the objective. And guys, here is another example. We have this consolidated area, but I still found an opportunity here. You have this institutional candle. From this candle, we did break this low. Here's the low that has been broken. After this low has been broken, guys, we are simply waiting for a retest. Here at this retest, guys, we are taking this trade to this low, right? And if there's a low, another low near it, you guys can trail your stop loss, meaning if you get into the market here, make that smaller. If you get into the market here and you're simply targeting this low, which gives us that 3-to-1 trade, guys, minimum trade, right? If you find that you want to go ahead and target another low, and you feel like, $100 is cool, but I'm going to go for 300, you simply trail your stop loss, meaning your stop loss starts here and then it starts to come down here as you're targeting a new area, right? So this is pretty much how I like to get these trades, guys. It's pretty simple and it's straight to the point. Please drop a comment and let me know if this is a strategy that you are going to use and test. And if you test this strategy, guys, won't you drop in the comments and let us know how it went for you. Thanks for watching, guys.